Hey Quebec students, just here to bring you into the conversation about a new competency in Quebec classrooms, but also in classrooms around the world. This will enable you to become more empowered and autonomous in your learning. So why a new competency? Well, we know that technological skills are needed to be successful and safe in today's digital world. We also know that we'll be using technologies in the future that have not yet been invented. What? How do we learn about something that doesn't exist? Well, we need to learn how to learn. It may sound funny, but we need to try things out, make mistakes, find solutions, and most important, share what we learn with each other. So here's the 411 about the new digital competency. No matter the subject or assignment, when you use a laptop, phone, tablet, interface, browser, app, or software, you're developing technological skills. And when you confirm a fact by checking other sources or ask a friend's permission to tag them online, you're exercising ethical citizenship. These two are the core of the competency. Then, there are a bunch of other parts, 10 more in fact, that go with the first two that I can't possibly fit into the minute I have left in my free trial account here. I'm talking about things like digital learning, information literacy, collaboration, communication, inclusion, diversity, empowerment, problem solving, critical thinking, innovation, creativity. It all sounds familiar, right? Let's just say the pieces that make up the digital competency in Quebec education are all things you already know and you already do. And to simplify those 12 pieces even more, here's the thing. You don't need to use all the parts all of the time. The key is to understand the entire digital competency so you can explain how, when, and why you use them. Remember, this is about empowerment and autonomy, so just be prepared to explain your process. It makes you a better learner.